guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time coming across one of my videos, make sure you subscribe and click on that bell so that you don't miss any uploads from me. In today's video, you guys, I am happy to bring you guys a video that has been highly requested. This is going to be on my signature low curly ponytail. Okay, every time I wear this, you guys give me a ton of compliments, so I am here to show you guys how I do it. Now, it is like a lazy version of an extended ponytail, okay, because honey, I don't have time for all the bobby pins and glue and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful sleek curly ponytail with just one bundle and 2 bobby pins. So if you are interested, then stick around. Alright guys, so first off, you just want to start brushing out your hair just to get the tangles out. I'm going to be using my Gorilla Snot. This is what I always use to slick down my hair. And mind you, I always do this hairstyle on dirty hair, okay? So I'm going to pile it in there because I want a sleek ponytail and my hair is natural. So I want to make sure that I can get it very flat and very sleek. So that's all I'm doing right here. It's just rubbing that right through. And I'm gonna take a hard bristle brush and just get to brushing, making sure everything is nice and smooth. This really takes me the longest, you guys, making sure that my hair is super smooth and putting it in a ponytail. Okay, now that I have it in a ponytail, I'm just gonna comb that out really quick with my Tangle Teaser brush, and I'm gonna take the hair and braid it tightly just down. Just braid it down to the very, very tip. This is going to be the base for your extended ponytail, or in my case, the lazy extended ponytail. See my little braid there, and you can never have too smooth of hair, okay? So I like to take my Hicks edge control and I just put that right on top. It just acts as like a paste and keeps the flyaways down. Now I'm going to tie my hair up with my silk scarf, and I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes or so just to make sure that everything's nice and smooth and flat. Alright, now I'm going to remove my scarf pretty carefully. I don't want to mess up anything. And this is the bundle that we're going to be using. This is the Malaysian Curly Hair from Beauty Forever. I've used this hair before and I absolutely love it because it matches my hair texture perfectly. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. Now, for the faux extended ponytail, I start in the middle of my braid and I use a closed bobby pin. And as you can see, I'm just putting that bobby pin through the double wefts. I did double this bundle, okay? So you can see it's sitting there and it's perfect. Now, a lot of people like to use glue, or they'll bobby pin all the way up every time they wrap the ponytail. I don't do that. I don't feel like I need to do that. I just continue to wrap around that braid. Now, this is a little tedious. It does take a little time, but you can see I'm just wrapping around that braid, and I don't have to add any more bobby pins because I'm kind of gradually going up and the wefts are really sticking to that braid, okay? So this is how I do it, you guys. It's very, very simple, and this does, like I said, it takes a little bit of time, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me, you know, keep wrapping and keep wrapping. now that I've gotten almost to the hair tie, I add another closed bobby pin. This is my second and my last bobby pin. Now you can see I just need to cover where I applied the hair tie. So now I'm just gonna wrap the remaining piece of the bundle around that hair tie. And what this does is it just gives the illusion of a ponytail that's growing out of your scalp. You know what I'm saying? It's not all bulky and thick around that band. So it just looks really nice and sleek, and that is the reason why people do extended ponytails. But I've learned through doing this that I don't need to use a ton of bobby pins, use glue or anything like that. So if you watch my last video, you'll see I take the last little end of the bundle and I take the hair and the weft and I wrap that tightly around the hair tie. That's how I secure it. Now I'm gonna brush out this little end piece because I do want to cover the tracks. So I'm just gonna wrap that and make sure it's kind of smooth. I'm just gonna wrap that around, and that's how you would normally do any ponytail, okay? But it's still gonna give that very sleek and thin top, you know, at that base. It's not gonna be all thick and bulky. So that's why I love this method so much, and it doesn't hurt my head because guess what? I only use 2 bobby pins and they're nowhere near my scalp. So this works perfect for me. I hope it works amazing for you. So now you can see that my ponytail is done, and this is how it's looking. I'm loving it so far. And now I'm just kind of raking my hands through that curly hair just to make sure, you know, it's looking all good. And I'm just showing you guys the side. You can see how thin it is right there at the base. Not bulky, I can't say that part enough. And you can see how it looks from the back and how my hair blends in great with this curly hair. The luster is perfect. Now this part is extremely optional. You guys know I can't do a ponytail without securing the baby hairs, okay? So I am doing my sideburns and my baby hairs, and for this I use the Gorilla Snot as well, and I secure that. After I use the Gorilla Snot, I kind of use a little bit of the Got to Be Glued gel sometimes, or the freeze spray, and that just allows me to keep my baby hairs and I don't have to worry about doing them for, like, you know, the rest of the week, to be honest.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright you guys, so that concludes my super simple tutorial on my long, sleek, curly ponytail. And I did use the Beauty Forever hair as I mentioned earlier, and this is the same hair, you guys, I've been using for about 6 months now. I use this same bundle over and over and over again, and as you can see, the curls are still beautiful and juicy. The only thing you need to do is kind of wet the hair, brush it through and let it dry, and this is what you'll have. So this is why I love this hair so much, because it blends with my natural hair. I can get a sleek ponytail look without having to straighten my natural hair. So that's why I love this so much. And this is definitely my go-to hairstyle when my hair is dirty, you guys, and I'm sick of wearing wigs. So that's why y'all always see me wear this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check the description box for the hair. I will link that for you guys down below. And I will talk to you on my next video. Bye.